1.
Override. Object. Type stall. Pick one.
2.
Texture tab. Replace all textures. In mesh tabs, replace all geostates.
3.
Warehouse. Scroll to the bottom. Select the top bottom VST. Update that too.
Attention!
These are diffuse map, snow map, specular map, low diffuse. Update spec maps if you wanna.
Attention!
Again! This is high res, medium res, low res, shadow high res, shadow medium res, shadow low res.
4.
Locate stall cover. Copy instance. Store it somewhere. Hash generator. Write something. Copy FNV64. Store it somewhere. Paste over instance. Select high-res model LOD. Edit items. Type material. Select a FONG. Edit items. Locate diffuse map. See if the instance number matches your store cover number. If it does, replace the number. Do this for both high-res model and medium-res model. Done! Surprisingly simple. What's next?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.